Is it unlocking?
Yep. Now it is. All right. Now with her on her back.
It was.
Oh no!
Welcome to Sewing Girl TV. I'm Caitlin, the Sewing Girl, and this is Poopsie. And if you haven't checked out part 1, what are you doing? Go check that out right now. So this is part 2 where we're making the slime, and part 1 was unboxing. So go check that out. Stay tuned to the end because we are giving a shout out. It might be you or you or you or that one with the cap over there.
All right, so first step is to, I don't know why I turned step 4, so step 1. Tear open the package of unicorn shimmer and pour it into the toilet bowl. I can't read.
It's over there.
Unicorn shimmer. And they give you 4 packets of unicorn shimmer.
So,
They're using scissors, so be careful.
Skizzers.
Skizzers! You pour it into our bowl. Ooh, it's like a white, iridescent, super shimmery and sparkly.
Ooh la la!
It's beautiful.
Yes, it is like me.
Oh yes, you're so pretty.
Don't touch me.
I love you, little thing. Step 2 is to
Eat the glitter.
use a spoon to scoop up the shimmer, and you're going to step 3. So there's a doll on the back, and there's a little picture of a cup or bottle, and then a picture of a rocking horse. Wait, I gotta push the button first. So we're going to rotate the dial, so that it is on the bottle. So now she is ready for food. All right, load her up.
Load her up with some stuff.
And while Cinnamon Girl is feeding her little Poopsie unicorn, I'm gonna read ahead. So step 4 is to feed her. Step 5 is to fill a measuring cup, or fill this measuring cup with water with the lower line, which is 5 milliliters. And I was prepared, so I brought a little measuring cup, and that line is a little tricky to see, but I think I got it there. How's the food coming?
Glitter just shot up in my nose. Just like, whoopah!
So I'm gonna say, just as far as the complaint, it does seem like a little tricky to get the glitter out of the container there. Ooh, I think it might be easier to pour the package directly into her mouth, honestly.
Next time we do slime.
All right. Ooh, you're totally just.
I'm like,
that was.
I'm gonna feed myself.
All right. Step.
I love this stuff.
Moving on to step 5. I did that. I put the water here, and you're gonna put this into the toilet bowl. So you're gonna give this water to the unicorn. So instead of doing the bowl and doing it with a spoon, let's skip that step. Make sure you get it all in there. All right. They're gonna let me do that.
Take over, cause I'm
She's
spiller.
spilling it. She's spilling it.
I'm gonna put the extra just in the.
All right. So I'm carefully adding. Hopefully not too much water, because we did lose some. All right. Step 6. Place the toilet bowl into the toilet or the throne. You have the bottle. Where's our Poopsie bottle? And you're gonna twist the lid off and throw it on the floor. You're gonna open one packet of unicorn food and pour it in the bowl. Do you have unicorn food?
Pour.
Nope, I have. And again,
Then
there's
pour
4 packets of unicorn food. You put that right in that little bottle. You gotta open it
I
first.
put it in the bottle.
Okay. Oh, it actually is perforated there, but oops. I think I spilled some.
Ooh,
Would you like to pour it in?
Yes.
All right, and
Pour it in. This looks like mac and cheese powder.
it really does. So it's just a white powder right now. Make sure you see if it does something special.
Yep.
And then we're gonna open one packet of unicorn.
No one saw
I
me
just did
drop
that. So now we're going to fill the measuring cup to the top line, which is 25 milliliters.
I'm thinking that the powder might change colors because who wants a white unicorn?
That would be cool. All right, and you're gonna pour that in that bottle.
I'm just gonna show you guys. Let me pour it. Ooh, it changed green.
Oh, awesome.
Green's one of my favorite school colors.
And step 10, we did that. That was poured in there. Step 11, with one finger covering the straw opening, hold the bottle tightly and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 30 seconds.
2, 3, 4, 5. 29, 30.
All right.
Poopsies.
Now you're gonna pour that in there. Squeeze until empty.
Ew, that looks like what we throw up into our mouth. That sounds so gross.
All right. Step 12 is
I'm a
complete.
water ball.
Moving on to step 13. Push and rotate the dial on the back of the unicorn.
And put
Now,
her on
as we
her
learned the
throat.
hard way, make sure you keep the unicorn tilted towards you, because at this point, if
'Cause
you
you don't
tip
want
it
that.
forward, all of the contents will go all over your tablecloth, and that is sad and tragic. Yep. Now it is. All right. Now with her on her back.
It was.
Oh no! Well, that was a fail.
I'm sorry. That was on my
That's
fault.
not. It's okay. It's not a big deal.
Should we redo it?
I'm pretty sure we just lost all of our womp womp womp. So to note, I guess when you put her on her back, you need to put her on her back to do this. All right, I guess we're gonna do that one more time. Good thing there's extra.
Oh, that smells so bad.
Rock the unicorn back and forth and upside down like a cartwheel for 15 seconds. Don't tip her. You need upside down, back and forth like a cartwheel. Don't go head for head though. I don't want to have another accident. Move her around.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14, 15. All right. It says remove the unicorn's diaper. Move the legs outward and place the unicorn on the toilet.
Unicorn's punching me. Something just spread it
All
out.
right, put her. Oh, I see that she's leaking. She's leaking. Put her in the potty. Step 15. Press the heart belly button and see your unicorn poop. All right, we're gonna turn her back around. Did you see her poop?
No, but
Ooh, but she did. Just leave it in there. Oh, what that is? Ew. What is that?
I think it's from our other attempts.
That's gross. All right.
It's fun. It's from our
Step
other.
16 says allow the slime to sit in the toilet bowl for 10 to 15 minutes or until the slime reaches the desired consistency.
One eternity later.
All right, so it has been 15 minutes. Would you like
Finally.
to do the honors?
Okay, so she's ready. Now we're gonna feel some glue.
And now the last of the instructions say, step 17, add half a packet of unicorn magic to the slime.
Ooh,
Then
that was really
open the
gross.
unicorn sparkle and add it to the slime. Continue adding as much of each as desired. Fold and pull the slime over and over to mix well. So if you want to add
Go ahead. This is really sticky.
the sparkle or the magic, which one? Or both?
Both.
So, oh, these are like,
They're so
here, put your hand so you can see.
beautiful.
Very operatic.
Look it up.
I don't think that's a word. All right, and then we also have unicorn
Was
magic.
that all of it?
Nope, that was just a little bit of it.
Why?
Ooh, which is this white powder stuff.
Yeah, we used it earlier.
Oh, I didn't.
It just spilled out.
Whoopsies.
This is to make it less sticky.
Sticky. Ooh, that's pretty. Does it pass your slime test?
What? I need more of that stuff.
What stuff? The powder
Yeah,
or
the
the
powder.
the magic? The magic! Making the magic happen right here, people. Making the magic happen. All right.
Okay, mac and cheese power.
So while that was setting, the instructions do say to make sure that you clean out the excess slime because you don't want it to set up inside the Poopsie doll.
That's
so,
what happened.
that would be bad.
Now time for shout outs. I'm giving a shout to Fun 3 Kids. Thank you. You have been so nice. And now it's the end. So make sure to watch the latest and greatest of Cinnamon Girl TV. Oh, oh, oh.